Hey guys, it's February. I really don't have anything to do this month, but you guys know you get a monthly vlog. You never know, something might happen, something might pop up. I'm low key. I hate this. I hate this. Because when I go back and look at my videos or anybody else's videos, I'm like, stay out your hair. But yeah, March is litty. Spring break, Nicole birthday, girls trip, all that. So I'm laying really low. February, but I'm about to go and get my nails done. Tomorrow I was supposed to have a V-steam, but I started my cycle, so you cannot steam, because I'm trying to do them every week. You cannot steam when you're on your cycle. That just opens up for infections, and that's just nasty, okay? Who wants blood dripping into the steam? Yeah, I know that was graphic, but hey, that's the truth. But I think I'm still gonna go because I made an appointment with 2 other people, and they're like, well, still just come along and drink wine with us and stuff. So yeah, let's head to the nail shop. Oh, and what I wanted to say is I'm on my cycle, and it's no secret. I have fibroids. I don't really have, the doctor said the last time when I got checked for the cancer, they don't really see the signs of PCOS in me anymore. So that's good. But anyway, I haven't cramped one time, guys. Like, no joke. No joke. So I am 100% sure that V-steam is helping because you guys know I usually can't even get out the bed. Now, I was really nauseous and really emotional. Like, I was crying nonstop like 2 days before I started. But that's about it. So yeah, now let's head to the nails. I get my nails done. Look how cute her setup is. This is like the cutest ever. She does it all, okay guys? So let me show you. Hello, can I get some water though? No, just wait. So beauty salon, manicurist, esthetician, because she does lashes, brows, waxing, and etc. So, she got my blue cards right here. This is actually how I first heard of her, Monet. And that's where she do her waxing and stuff. And their esthetician type thingies. And this is where I get my nails done. Down, man down, trying to take my rhinestones off. You shouldn't put them on that good. No, yes you should.
For real, man.
Zoom in on the design. All right, guys. So now, so dark. I'm about to go and get my hair done. I'm gonna let her put this wig on right because it's a frontal, and curl it or put it up or something. So let's go.
To the surface as well, and I think they went to the nursing home. I mean, not nursing home, to the funeral home and saw Granny today. So. Yep, that's the right attitude to have. Okay. Okay.
Do it the other way. The left way. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. We about to try to. Me and my little bae.
Peter, ooh.
So it's dark. I'm headed out. I was supposed to get a V-steam today because I'm going to try to do them every week, but I started. I think I explained this yesterday. I can't remember. So, I don't do business like that where I take up somebody's spots and then can't come. So what I did was fill the spots. It was supposed to be me, my cousin, and my sister. And so my sister's going to take another cousin, but they still want me to come because it's very awkward. My cousin on this side, sorry. does not know the cousin that my sister is bringing. And so I think that's very awkward to get a V-steam with people you don't even know. So I'm still going to go to kind of like be the, I don't know what it's called, but they still want me to come. So I'm going to just go and drink wine and stuff. And this shit going to be hilarious watching other people getting their V-steam. But hey, let's go. You know she gonna be lit up in here. Say hey, y'all. Say hey too. I got your boys in my purse.
What she say she got jumped?
I'm ready.
Put an order on my phone. I said, save me. I'm in the shower.
Hey, Jess, you ready?
Hey, I'm ready.
Y'all need me as entertainment. You know what I need to do for the Get him there. Oh, my sister is a mess, y'all. Somebody want to stay here? You just gotta go to the restroom. You gonna take a Z? Okay. You going? You don't need the whole thing. Just grab the cake. Girl, you still ain't Easter egg, honey. It did. I'm gonna close the door, Nikki. You can do it in here, right?
It's the
See,
two
did I set
live
you up too lit?
Baby, them babies in there.
And see, I take care of my baby. See, I don't do that. Can't come. Done made an appointment, so I fill my spot because she got bills to pay.
Already. And I love you for that. And all of your, what do you call them?
Flat breaks.
I thank all of you who placed the order. Like, y'all got me constantly making soaps.
And tell them that they are handmade.
They are handmade, made to order. So the production part and the shipping part is two different things. So your soaps, if you order soap, is on the way.
Y'all, these are bee-steam cakes because y'all kept asking me where I got this dress from, and they are not dresses. This is just what you see me. Y'all, they are rowdy bunch. You felt that, sis? Y'all are too much. That's why they my homies.
Shout out to my 3LWs.
What you got, Z?
Oh, got some sweet
There
tea.
you go.
Some sweet tea for my clients. Because today is not wine day.
It ain't. Who passed that memo out? Did you do that?
She should have said,
I
I'm
know.
gonna stop.
I work right there around the corner from Yoni and Jack.
I got wine.
That was at top of the
Wait a minute. We have.
Basket full of junk like you like. What's in there?
So in this basket, we have. Oh, I thought this was
Go a little
Snickers.
faster.
M&M's, Pringles, hot chips, hot popcorn, Cheetos, Sour Patch Conversation Hearts, Sour Patch Kids, Jolly Ranchers, gummies, and more gummies.
You really didn't deserve this, did you?
No comments.
Huh?
No comments.
Yeah, she in trouble, y'all. Everything about the Bible, sir. Because I don't understand why you need 5 Bibles out.
Different transport. It said the same thing, but
Translations.
yeah.
Sweet, that's pink.
And that's Kool-Aid pickles.
Sweet. Really the best is olive green. That's a 10.
So I got Johnny Appleseed, and she got Gusher and
Gushers.
Fruit Roll-Up. We're doing this fine dining on Valentine's Day. Shoot, what y'all talking about? Ain't nobody in here, okay? All right. Little smegglers. What you get?
Salad.
I should have got BRUNCH. Look how pretty it is in her bag. I should have turned the lights on.
section of it though. The pictures, I'll show y'all the other section we leaving in. You hungry? I'm hungry too. Well, I'm gonna mess your makeup up next time.
Singing the cut. Oh. Hey. Here it is, like stupid early. I am not a morning person, guys. That is the only thing I hate about being a makeup artist is Saturdays when I have those early appointments. I wish I could just start all of my appointments at 1 a.m. But my dad is having surgery. So, yeah, I'm at the Veterans Hospital. I do have a nail appointment today. This vlog has been pretty boring. Haven't really done anything this month. I was supposed to go to Miami, but I had to cancel it because my dad had to have his surgery today. And Miami is 2 days from now, and there's no way I'm going to Miami, and my dad just had surgery. So, yeah, I'm sitting in here at the Veterans Hospital waiting on him to get done. So show up in here, guys. These people are like so happy. It's way early in the morning. And they just sit up here. I done said good morning about 500 times. This is really like they hang out like the club. Like, why they so happy this early? All right, gotta go.